Welcome to a new video. I am Manoj from Pro Tutor Guides. In today's video, I will show you the best for AI humanizer text. From here, you can humanize unlimited text for absolutely free, and also you don't have to create an account. Simply visit the website, paste your text, click on humanize, and you will get your 100% humanized text. I will show you with proof. So let's move to our computer screen. First of all, write this AI generated text. So I will copy this, and first of all I will test its AI detection score. So for search for ZeroGPT AI detector, click here and paste it here. Click on this detect text. You can see here our text is 100% AI generated. Now we will humanize it using free tools. In number 4, we have ZeroGPT Humanizer. As ZeroGPT has Humanizer detector tool too. Search for ZeroGPT Humanizer and open this free tool to humanize AI generated text. Now paste it here and click on this humanize text. You can see here we got our humanized text. Copy this and I will again check its accuracy rate from here. Paste it here and click on detect text. You can see here it has 45.6% AI GPT. That's why it's on 4th of this list. For now, what we can do is we can again humanize this text, so it will be again reduce humanizer. But before this, I will move to our third humanizer tool, which is this Onseki AI. Simply search for onseki.ai and you will be landed here. Now I'll paste it here. It has limitation of 100 word, so I'll cut some of the word. Okay, now I have 100, so click on this humanize. Now copy it. And also from here you can check this humanize score. It will automatically show you, but I will don't trust on it, so I will open AI detector by myself, delete this and paste it here and click on detect AI. You can see here it has only 14.7 score. Again humanize for this sentence. So this is best, but it has limitation of 100 words. So I had ranked it on number 3. Now we'll move to number 2. It's NodeGPT. NodeGPT AI Humanizer. Open this and paste your text here. I'll copy this full text. And click on this humanize. It is too impressively fast. Now copy this and paste it here and click on this detect text. It has 62%, so I will again paste this humanized text and click on this humanize. And at the last we have Superhumanizer. Search for the Superhumanizer, click on it, now paste it, copy and paste it here. Click on this humanize, copy this text and go for AI detector and click on this detect text. It has the only 9.1%. That's why I take it on the number 1 of our list. You can see here only 9.1% of text has been detected, so it will not hamper on our blog website. This is acceptable for our blog website. I hope you love this video. Now let's reminder our list. In number 4 we have ZeroGPT itself. It can detect our text and also it can humanize our text. In number 2 we have undetectable AI. In number 3 we have NodeGPT, and in number 4 or in our number 1, which is best, it's Superhumanizer, which have the accuracy rate of 9.1%. I hope you love this video. If you find it helpful, then don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel Pro Tutor Guide, and also give a big thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.